Across the country, nature-based solutions are changing the way we design with nature. And landscape architects play an important role in bringing these solutions to life. In Georgetown, we have successfully integrated heritage landscapes with nature-based solutions as part of the PNB CAP demonstration zone. And these floating aquatic plants along the 4th perimeter edge not only look aesthetically pleasing, they also help to clean, filter the water naturally through phytoremediation.
Our coastline is exposed to erosion and the impacts of climate change. Through this community-driven planting program, we are restoring ambong-ambong trees as a living coastal defense system.
Natural-based solutions, such as ambong-ambong trees, worked with natural coastal process. Over time, this living coastal buffer create habitat like wildlife, improve ecological health, and strengthen long-term coastal resilience.
Instead of pushing the water out as quickly as possible, this park is designed to absorb, slow down, and adapt to water naturally.
Through rewilding and sponge landscape strategy, Sungai Pinji become more resilient to flooding while creating space for biodiversity and recreation.
Putrajaya's ecological spine, public realms, and recreational activities catalyst a green corridor connecting key ecological zones. Example of how urban infrastructure can double as ecological habitat and social space.
Putrajaya wetland function as the kidney of the city. It helps clean the water by filtering pollutants and also provide habitat for wildlife. It shows how nature-based solutions can benefit both nature and people.
At TRX, landscape design helps to reduce the urban heat island effect through extensive tree canopies, shaded public spaces, water features, and integrated green infrastructure. At the same time, these green spaces also create habitats for biodiversity while improving comfort and well-being for the people in the city.
Here at KLE's microforest, native dense plantings accelerate natural growth, creating a rich habitat for birds, butterflies, and other pollinators. SunW Properties' effort on nature-based solutions help restore urban biodiversity towards a more resilient and sustainable community. Sometimes, small spaces can create the biggest change.
Nature-based solutions are not only about ecology, they are also about peoples and community. In Kuala Lumpur, we have more than 60 community farms under the Local Actions 21 Kuala Lumpur. These community programs help strengthen urban food security, healthy living, and local food production.
These shared green spaces also encourage social interaction across different generations, creating a healthier and more resilient communities.
Sirip Park demonstrates how previously altered landscape can be transformed into thriving ecological environments for both nature and community.
Sirip Park is an 343-hectare land. We have planted over 13,000 numbers of native forest species. We also have more than 15 species of birds.
Today, the park supports biodiversity, wetland ecosystem, recreation, and environmental education, all within a rapidly urbanizing township.
Welcome to Sarawak. Batu Kawau Riverfront Park in Kuching demonstrates how flood-prone land can be transformed into a resilient landscape through nature-based solutions. In the design of the park, we did not resist the river. Instead, we worked with the water performance in the river to allow selected areas to function both as parklands and floodplains.
Nature-based solutions are not just about protecting the environment. Across Malaysia, landscape architects, communities, and stakeholders are reimagining how we live with these landscapes, are becoming more resilient more ecological, and more human. Because the future of our cities may not lie in building against nature, but in designing together with it.